It's Monday, August 27th, 2018, and it's checkout day.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world, every city, every place.
It is 10:21. And I have taken the first load to the car, and I just have this stuff to go now. And I just want to show you basically how I leave a room. I know that mousekeeping, when people check out and they're opening that door, they're probably holding their breath going, oh my gosh, what's it going to be like? And I really try to leave the room in the best condition that I can actually leave it, to make it easier for them. So my recyclables are in there, all my water bottles, and I never leave trash on the floor. You know, take that back. Sticker. All trash is in the trash can. So I am gonna load up the rest of this stuff. I'm gonna head to Magic Kingdom for a few hours, and then I'll be hitting the road. Yeah, long drive back. Some follow-up notes. A few things I noticed is that the walls, and this is really any of the value resorts, are very thin. And when you have a connecting room, like right here, like, can you hear them? Nah, they're not. They're talking in hushed tones right now. But there's been several times where I can basically almost hear every other word of their conversation. One night, the baby woke up in the middle of the night and was crying, and of course I heard that. So just be mindful if you are sensitive to sounds, or you have children that are sensitive to sounds. Just be mindful that you will hear the people in the next room, most likely. And also be aware that the value resorts are more, they're more, I'm not saying they're more family geared, I'm saying more families stay at the value resorts because they have big families and they need that price. So, or they come often like I do and need that price. So you can hear, kids running up and down, run into their room on the walkway out there. So be mindful of that. I've had people in resort tours ask me before about the mattresses, and I am one that likes a very firm mattress, and I'm very comfortable. I loved this bed. I loved the mattress. Some people are more picky. I've noticed that some of the mattresses in the moderates and deluxe, they're definitely the deluxe, the mattresses are a tad bit thicker, but I don't mind this at all. I don't have an extravagant mattress at home, so I am totally fine with the mattresses. Of course, in the All-Stars, they are dated. They have not had any remodel. So if you're sensitive to carpet, all older carpet with a lot of, dust buildup, then this is probably not the resort for you. I had to take my inhaler a couple times, and I knew that coming in. Again, that's the, what you expect with the cheaper price that you pay here at Disney. So as long as you come in with the correct expectations, hopefully you will not be disappointed. Quick side note, I also always leave the curtain open. I open up the curtain so that mousekeeping knows that I have left the room and that it's empty and ready to be cleaned. This is so awesome. I just walk up and there is another Magic Kingdom bus waiting right behind this one. Awesome. I'll get a seat in the morning on at Magic Kingdom. That's wonderful. A person just knocked that down. They could at least put it back. They finally opened this new ramp. Like, there's the entrance to Magic Kingdom. We used to enter on the right, and now we use this new road. I normally only do this on my first visit to Magic Kingdom in a trip, but I'm gonna do it now. Happy dance, all because I wasn't expected to come back to Magic Kingdom on this trip, so I'm very happy about that. Does that hat box look familiar to anyone? Comment below if it does. If you have never picked up this phone in the hat shop, you need to do it. There wasn't many fast passes I could get since I didn't make them until late last night, but I haven't rode It's a Small World this trip, and this is always a must for me. Yay! Finally! I get my name up there! I was just in the store, and check it out. It'll be in the haul vlog, which you probably already saw. They have limited hours here, and I haven't been in for a while. I want to see what their menu looks like now. Well, that's sad. They no longer have the salad they used to have. So barbecue short rib, hot dog, turkey leg. Darn, there's nothing here I can even eat. Shucks, wish they had that salad. Try our refreshing pirate pear slushy. That sounds good. Sat down a minute to eat my pumpkin spice bar, and that bird right there keeps circling around me. See him? Gotta watch these. Oh, look at that one. He found a, I don't know, that looks like a, I don't know what that is. But yeah, you gotta watch out for the birds here. They'll actually come up on the table and steal your food. Look what I'm saying. He's stalking me. It is definitely busier than I thought it would be. Like, most schools in North Carolina started today, so I would have thought a lot of the public schools will already be in session. So I thought it would be a little less crowded, but no can do. I'm gonna go in here because Tom had gotten me these glasses in April, and I forgot my cleaning cloth and they're dirty. They feel marvelous. I can see again without like smudges in front of my eyes, so they cleaned them off well for me. Wow, I totally forgot how clear these lenses are when they're actually clean. Like, I don't even feel like there's lenses in front of my eyes. You ever get like where you're wearing sunglasses and it's almost like you can see the lens with your eyes, but it's just like I'm wearing frames with nothing in them. Feels good. Oh, love their costumes. Love it, love it. I should wear a hat like that. What do y'all think? That's diva-ish. And look, it's the fire chief. I'm so glad to see this out. I actually saw the artist creating the original, no there's a glare, at the Arts Festival, so I'm very excited to see this guy out. I have finally bought the Hatbox Ghost. And the funny thing about that is the woman, and I had gotten one cast member to go get me, I told her, showed her this. And we walked to the cash register, and then another cast member said, oh, you're going to the back to get one? And she said, yeah. And she said, well, can you get a Hatbox Ghost? So another woman at the store was buying the exact same thing at the same time. Quite ironic. It is 1:30 and it is time to say goodbye to this wonderful site. But I am only saying goodbye for 20 days. Mr. Mouse Diva and I will be back on September 18th. No, I'm sorry, 16th. September 16th, but that's still 20 days. I love it when the bus is at the stop when you're walking up. I did have to jog a little because I didn't want the people on the bus to have to wait too long because I was kind of far away. But anyway, back at the resort, I'm starving. It's like 2 o'clock. Haven't had any food except for that little pumpkin spice bar. So it's time for a kid's meal. Chef's special cupcake, but they don't tell you what the flavor is. But it's cute. It's like Halloween themed. I don't think I've seen this one before. Oh my gosh, blackberry lemon cheesecake flavored. Whoa. Pineapple whip swirl cupcake. Okay, really hungry, need food. Need food. So guys, I want y'all to read this. Under kids meal, it has turkey ziti. It'll show up in a minute. There it is. And I ordered that, and they all looked at me like I was crazy, and they're like, no, we don't have that. And then she went and got somebody else, and they pulled out like a frozen thing, but it was an adult meal, and they don't even have that listed under the adults. Somebody really goofed. Good news, guys. So after a lot of confusion in the kitchen, this is a kids meal. This is the best value ever on a kids meal. So this was $7.99, and it included everything on my tray. So this is, I mean, that is a huge portion, and a cookie and the gelatin and a kids drink. $7.99. Best value ever. Oh, yesterday I came in and was walking through and saw a Remy straw, and I couldn't believe that it was actually here. This is All Star Music, and now I understand why they had one. They actually serve ratatouille here for a kids meal, and that is why I guess they had a Remy straw here at the All Star Music. It has taken me, like, I kid you not, like 40 minutes to eat all that. I'm not used to eating a lot at one sitting, but since I can't really take it with me, but I guess I'll be taking these two things with me. Disney wants me to stay here. Look at that. It's storming outside, and I have all these bags in my backpack, and I'd have to walk to the car. Yeah, not good. Seriously, all bathroom stalls should have a little shelf. Yeah, I'm not scared to vlog in the bathroom. This is so clever, wasn't here yesterday. So these are Velcro, and you put them on the hat and you can replace them with these. $24.99. Wasn't here yesterday. I'm loving this hat. That's creative. I like stuff you can change up. Right, here is their tie-dye station, and it looks really busy. So just letting you know that they do this on a daily basis. Okay, and you can do two different type of t-shirts there, the sleeveless or the regular. It comes out to be a hidden Mickey. And then they also have snow cones. I love how at check-in, this actually looks like a movie theater, and kids can watch TV while the parents do the check-in. Yeah, this was not smart. I pulled out of the resort at 4:05, and it is 4:50, and I am still in Orlando. Yeah, just that afternoon, evening traffic, and you got all this construction. Ooh, I'm going 20 miles an hour now. Wow. So it's 6:35 p.m. and I just pulled up at a rest area, but I don't want to get out of the car because it's a really good song on. So long, Florida. 20 more days, I'll be back.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you.